Taimasa, it's a 40 years old company. We are located in Tarragona, near to the chemical and petrochemical industry. And we produce filling lines for chemical and petrochemical industry. Most important customers are multinational, like Repsol, Dow Chemical, BASF, etc. And most important point for us is that we produce ATEX machine. It means that we produce machines for filling flammable products. And we are specialized in this kind of installations. We are now present in more than 30 countries around the world. And we develop now these filling lines with Industry 4.0, with robotics. All the international sales strategy will be start with 3 easy questions. What we will sell? In which markets we want to sell the product? How we will sell? Through which channel we want to sell the product. Sometimes companies try to do a very complicated sales strategy. And sometimes it's easy to ask ourselves what we can do, which resources we have, and if it's possible for our company go through these kinds of market. The most important thing talking about international sales plan is to know which advantage have our product and in which markets it's easy to start the sale of this product. It's easy if we don't have too much complicated logistic to go with our products. The taxes is one relevant point. Some products have very high taxes in different markets. And finally, which competitors are there? The most common mistakes. We want to sell in other countries. Okay, but depends of which products, you need to adapt your packaging, languages. If it's in the food industry, for example, if you want to sell your products in Middle East, usually you need to have the certification of halal. You need to adapt the product to the target of the market that you want to sell, but not just the product, packaging, and of course, your team. If you want to sell the product outside of Spain, you need people that know very well how to manage the international sales. You need to know how the business develop in this kind of market. Another common mistake, we want to sell all our catalog of products. This is not possible. You can adapt all of your product to different kinds of markets. And you need to choose which products have more adaptability to this kind of markets. The companies to select the markets usually go to the richest markets, but you don't pay attention about if the demand of your products there is bigger or lower. If it's there a lot of competitors, and what about the prices level? A lot of companies build a subsidiary company in Asia to try to reduce the cost of the product. Usually, if the company didn't have before export department and start, minimum to start for the return of this investment, it's 3 years. In a small, medium company. One more common mistake, this kind of company didn't have the infrastructure to wait 3 years to start to recover this investment. One more mistake, the selection of our partners. And we need to adapt or to join to our company different people. We are talking about distributor or agents. There is some different points that we need to check before to select this partner. Finally, if you find a business opportunity in a market, okay, you can adapt your product and everything because you find this business opportunity. But the major part of the medium and small companies start this process for necessity.